Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to delete volumes in Docker. So a Docker volume, how would you delete it? Now before you can do that, you need to see what volumes you have on your system. Let's start off by saying Docker volume ls. So we have these volumes on the system. Now let's say if you wanted to go ahead and just quick remove one of them, you'd say Docker volume rm test3. So we're going to remove this volume right here, test3. Let's just remove that. And there we go, it's removed. So let's just verify that, and there we go. We see it's gone now, right? So let's go ahead and try something else. Let's um, let's go ahead and wipe all volumes from the system. But before we can do that, I'm going to quick show you this one command you can use. You can say docker volume ls -q, and this will just give you the names or IDs of the volumes in a list instead of listing the driver and the header up here. It's just going to give you a list of them, so that way you can generate this list and you can pass it as a parameter to this next command. So you can say docker volume rm and then $ parentheses. Then you can put this command inside there, and basically it's going to take the output. So basically this command generates that list of names of volumes. So you can take the output of that command and basically list the output here as parameters to the docker volume rm command. Run that and it removes all the volumes on the system except for two of them where we had some errors. Now it's unable to remove these volumes because they are in use by containers. So it's in use. So let's go ahead and try to, we're going to actually remove these containers. So before I do that, docker volume ls, so we just want to verify that two of these were removed. We were able to remove two, so all of the unused containers were wiped out, but we still have these two remaining here. Now let's go ahead and remove. We're going to remove these instead of just removing the containers and then removing the volumes. We are going to try to remove the containers together with the volumes. Now I believe this is supposed to be the container ID that's using it. Let's see, docker ps-a, and let's see here, 2b18 8. Yeah, so 8b1a. I'm not completely sure. I'm pretty sure it's these two containers that are using them. But in any case, Docker, you can say Docker volume rm $, and oh yeah, we're going to say Docker rm to remove the container and -v to remove the volumes. So any volumes connected to that container, we're going to remove those as well. Now let's see if we can specify based on this, or sorry, based on this right here. So 0398, yeah, and this is the container. So 03B6B, that is this one right here, B6B. Then we have 779F, that would be this one right here, 779F. So yeah, those are the container names. So it gives you, in these error messages, it gives you the container that's using it. So we can just copy this value right here. Let's see if that copies that properly. There we go. So we say docker rm, that's going to remove container, -v to remove any volumes associated with the container. All right, so the container is running. Let's see if we can actually just force it. -f to force it. There we go. So if it's running, you can't remove a container without stopping the container first. We don't feel like stopping it, so we just use an F that will stop and remove the container. So the F will stop the container, or it will remove the container even if it's not stopped, and the V will remove any volumes connected to that container. So let's try that with the other one too. And yeah, so exact same command, but we're going to do it with this second container here. So remove that one. So these two containers should be gone, and the volumes should be gone. All volumes on the system should be gone. So docker ps-a, you see we've removed a couple containers, and docker volume less all volumes gone. So there you go. Now, another way you can remove all the volumes that are not in use by a container. So instead of using that command that we used, instead of this command right here, we could have used docker prune, and that seems to do the exact same thing. So in any case, I should probably go deeper into this in another video. This is basically everything that I wanted to show you for this video. This is how you can delete volumes and clear out all your volumes on your system if you want to. So even if you've shut down all your containers and stuff, you may have volumes remaining. You might want to just go check that out and remove them if you want to clean things up. But that's basically everything I wanted to show you for today. All right, so hopefully you found this video useful. And you might want to give me a thumbs up. Also, you want to hit that subscribe button because we have a lot more videos like this, and we have a ton of other great tech related content. We cover a wide variety of things, everything from like Linux to servers, hardware, software, electronics, Raspberry Pis, 3D printing, cryptocurrencies, Linux, Windows, Mac OS, all sorts of great stuff you're not going to want to miss out on. Robots, programming, coding, all that sort of great stuff. Anything DevOps or software developer related, a lot of Linux stuff. So if you don't want to miss out on that stuff and you want your YouTube feed to be all that much better, definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the great content we have coming up after this. You might want to also check out some of our existing content too. Also, hit the little bell icon, otherwise YouTube won't let you know when we do come out with new videos and you don't want to miss out on those. And also leave a comment down below if you know something that I don't know, or if you have any questions, comments, criticisms, anything you want to say, not just for me but for the next person who watches this video. Definitely leave a comment down below. And that is about it for today. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.